It's Dave Elliott, the secretary of St Boswell's Rugby Club, inviting all you people all over the world to become a member of a rugby club. Support rugby. Come to St Boswell's in your holidays. Come to visit on your holidays. St Boswell's Rugby Club will welcome you as a member. You can get all the information and all the data on St Boswell's Rugby Club on the website. This is Dave Elliott, the secretary of St Boswell's Rugby Club. You can own this part of the turf. Why not join St Boswell's Rugby Club? Wherever you are, all over the world, join St Boswell's Rugby Club. You could own a part of the ground. Come and join us. Visit us at St Boswell's Rugby Club.